Hey kids, I am sure you remember what I did last time. I got in trouble with my toothbrush for eating candy, but it was worth it. I wonder what I can get into today. Uh-oh, something is tickling this curious cat's nose, and when a sneeze is coming, it doesn't always go where it should. Maybe if I go to the restroom, it will go away. And here it comes! Whoa, did you see that? My sneeze just flew across the room. Sneezes can zoom super far, even farther than 3 cats stacked on top of each other. And guess what? Sneezes can carry germs with them. Yikes. Okay, kids, I just remembered what my mom taught me. There is a better way to sneeze. When I feel a sneeze coming, I can use a tissue, or cover my mouth with my paws, or even better, sneeze right into my elbow. That way, the germs stay put. Yes, much better. Clean sneezes help keep everyone healthy, including me and you. I am Curious Cat, and I will see you next time, kids.